Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's going on, furniture nerds? I've already unboxed all the pieces for this L-shaped desk, and so I'm just going to basically walk you through all the pieces before I put this together. So these two pieces right here are the bottom and tops for the filing cabinet. This is all the hardware for the drawers. So this is the drawer fronts right here. You can tell because I have the two holes, which are going to be for the handles. These are the drawer sides, the drawer back. These are the drawer bottoms, and these are the drawer rails right here. This right here is the tabletop, clean slate right here. And you can see on the back they have the holes for the attachments on the bottom. These here are the uprights for the cabinet. This is the adjustable shelf. This is the cabinet back. These are the metal pieces for the extended part for the desk. And these are the hardware parts right here. You can see they're all individually organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Not too many pieces. Probably gonna take me about an hour and a half or so to complete, but I'll show you guys the finished work in 5, 4, 3, 2. What's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this L-shaped desk that I just put together. And my initial thought after assembling it is that this is actually a pretty nice desk. So let's quickly look at some of the features here. It comes with 3 storage cabinets. You can see here, all right, it's the top one, middle, and the bottom, which are all identical. And for visual context, just gonna put my hand inside this drawer so you can kind of get an idea of how big it is. And you can see that it comes out pretty far, which is a pretty nice touch. Then here you have this adjustable shelf here as well. I know it's kind of dark, but you can see that there's 1, 2, 3 levels that you can adjust it. And then the rest, of course, you have this area right here where you can maybe put laptops or maybe some folders or something like that. Then of course here's the L-shaped part of the desk, which is actually pretty nice. Got a nice color to it, nice sort of rustic color to it. So something else that's cool about this desk is that it's reversible. So you can see here on the left hand side I have the storage cabinet, but you can also have it set up where it's going to be on the right hand side. So you have those two options during the assembly. Overall, I really like this this L-shaped desk. Was not very hard to put together. Probably took me about, I want to say about hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes or so. But of course, depending on the tools that you have and your skill set, it could take you a little bit longer. I did use a drill, but it did come with an Allen key for you to use. You will need a screwdriver. So a regular Phillips head screwdriver will suffice. Of course, it has a nice matte black handles right there. So altogether, I definitely give this desk a thumbs up. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll check you on the next review.